Hi, my name is Jessica Gillespie, and I am your student's French 2 teacher. This is my 13th year at Park Center, and I am so looking forward to having a great year with your students. We've already started connecting and forming relationships, and I can't wait to see all the things they're able to do in French. This year, we have an exciting year planned. We're going to start out by reviewing, talking about hobbies and things that students like to do and don't do. Then we're going to move on to fashion. Uh, Even if a student isn't into fashion itself, everybody wears clothes, and so we'll have a chance to talk about that and even explore where our clothes come from. Next, we'll talk about tiny houses and houses around the French speaking world. And then we'll also talk about meals and some different traditions around the French speaking world. Learning in our class is a little bit different than in some other classes. You'll see these are just a few pictures of our classroom. We have flexible learning on some days. What that means is students have some choice over the pace, place, and path that they choose to complete their work. The work is designed to help them apply what we've been learning in class, as well as get some individual coaching sessions with me, and small group coaching sessions too. If a student happens to be absent, I strongly encourage you to check out our calendar, our agenda, which I've shared with you in the email. And this is a great way to see what was missed on that day, as well as if they're going to miss something, kind of plan ahead. Class time also is a great time, like when we have flex, is an awesome time to make up work if a student needs to. The next thing that has had a very big impact on student learning is personal devices. Last year, I saw a negative impact on student learning with those students who are using their devices constantly in class. One way that I'm going to help um, students learn French and appreciate the French speaking world is by having a classroom that is a school issued device only classroom. Students have two options when they walk into the room. They can either put their device in their backpack or they can put it in the charging station, which I have a picture of up here. If it becomes a problem and I see the device out when it's not supposed to be, I will kindly remind the student to put it away. If it becomes more of a problem, we'll probably have a discussion and possibly involve you in the discussion as well. Students can use their Chromebook to complete activities, but we don't use it every day. I have also included my email address in my email, so that way you can get a hold of me if you have any other questions or concerns about French 2. I look forward to meeting with you on conferences. And if you're unable to attend conferences, because I know life is busy, please email me or call me, and I'm happy to discuss how your student is doing.